Question 3. A committee of 6 people is to be chosen from 9 women and 5 men. So we have to select 6 from 9 women and 5 men. Find the number of ways in which 6 people can be chosen if there must be more women than men in the committee. So if you're selecting 6 and there have to be more women than men, so the first option that we get, the first choice that we can get is to have all the women. So we can have 6 women times we can have 0 men, or we can have 5 women and 1 man, or we can have 4 women and 2 men. Now 3 women and 3 men, no, we can't have that because it says there must be more women than men. So these are the only 3 options we can have. Now, since we have this, so we write this in terms of combination. So we had 9 women and we have selected 6. So that's going to be 9C6 into we had 5 men, and out of 5 men we have selected 0. So that's 5C0. For this is 9C5 into 5C1, and this is 9C4 into 5C2. For this, if you work this out, we should be getting this as 84. We get this as 630, and we get this as 1260. So we have the first option, or we can have the second option, or we can have the third option. These are the 3 possibilities we can have. So we add them up. First one we got this as 84. The second one was 630. And the answer to the third one was 1260. Once we add all of these 3 up, we get the answer as 1974. That's the answer to the first part, A. Part B. The 9 women and 5 men include a sister and a brother. Find the number of ways in which the committee can be chosen if a sister and brother cannot both be on the committee. So still we are selecting 6 people, and a brother and a sister cannot be on the committee at the same time. So we have, let's say, sister over here and brother over here and the rest of the people over here. So let's say we are selecting the sister. So we have one sister and we are selecting her. And if we have selected a sister, then we have one brother and we cannot select the brother because it says the sister and brother cannot both be on the committee at the same time. So if we have selected a sister, so that's 1C1 and 1C0 for we can't select a brother now. So now the remaining, so there are 2 people done from the 9 people. So now we have how many people we had altogether? We had 9 plus 5, we had 14 people together. So out of the 14, we have subtracted the 2, brother and sister, because we have considered sister and brother both. So we have 12 remaining. So out of the 12, now how many have I selected? I've only selected one sister, 0 brothers. So out of the 12 remaining, I still have to select 5 more to make a committee of 6. So 12C5, this is going to give me the remaining 5 out of the 12. So that's the first option I can have. Now for the second option, I do not select the sister. So sister is 1C0. If I am not selecting the sister, then I will select the brother, which is 1C1, into the same 12C5 for the remaining people. And the third option can be they cannot both be on the committee, but at the same time, but they can, well, we can exclude both of them. So if both of them are not on the committee at the same time, so both of them cannot also, I mean, they might not be on the committee too. Neither of them would be on the committee. So we are saying the sister is not there, and even the brother is not there. So out of the remaining 12, now we have to select all 6. So if we do this, for the first one, we get 792. So if we do 1C1 times 1C0 times 12C5, we get 792. Then we do 1C0 times 1C1 times 12C5, we get 792, which is the same as above. Then we do 1C0 times 1C0, 1C0 times 1C0. Remember, 1C0 does not give you 0, that this gives you 1, this gives you 1. So that's just 1 times 1. And 12C6, and that gives you 924. So this is option number 1, 2, and 3. We are adding them up. 792 plus 792. And for the last one, 924. These are the three options we got, three possibilities we got. So if we add them up, we get 2508. And that is the answer to the second part of this question.